In this video, we'll learn how to mute audio quickly and correctly in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the clip on the timeline. Now go to the Properties panel on the right side. Under the Audio section, you'll find a volume slider and a mute option. Turning the mute switch on instantly silences the clip. If you want partial sound instead of complete silence, you can simply lower the volume slider instead. Another easy method is directly on the timeline. Each audio clip has a horizontal volume line running through it. Dragging this line downward reduces the volume, and dragging it all the way down effectively mutes the clip. If you want to mute everything on a specific audio track, use the track mute button on the left side of the timeline. Click the M button on that track, and all audio clips on that track will be muted together. These three methods let you control audio exactly how you need. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.